Cold evenings shouldn't send you inside early. The right patio heater keeps you outdoors all season long. Covering the 7 best patio heaters in 2026, from a compact tabletop to a premium tower with a built-in table. Every budget, every outdoor setup, and every use case is covered right here. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick outperforms every other heater in this video now. Starting at number 7, the Dr. Infrared Heater, the best electric heater for covered patios and propane-free households. Your covered patio is where propane isn't safe. Open flames need ventilation, ruling out every other heater here. The Dr. Infrared Heater plugs into a standard outlet and mounts overhead. First, IP55 weatherproof infrared heat at 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts. Instant, odorless, and completely silent. Next, wall and ceiling mounting brackets included. Install overhead, free the floor, remove the visible tank. Finally, an included remote to adjust heat from your seat. Cons: needs an outdoor outlet nearby. Won't match propane in a large yard. Avoid rain. Best for covered patios, pergolas, screened porches, garages. Not for open, exposed patios or off-grid setups. At $112.52, the Dr. Infrared Heater is the definitive electric solution for covered spaces. No propane? This is your heater. At number 6, the Amazon Basics 46,000 British Thermal Unit Tower, the best entry-level standing heater for standard backyards. A tabletop covers one table. When your deck is full of guests, you need coverage for the whole group. This is that heater. Add propane, turn the knob, done. First, 46,000 British Thermal Unit heating a 9-foot radius. Full coverage for a dining set or lounge chairs. Next, a water box weighted base with wheels. Fill for stability, roll wherever you need. Finally, 8 available color finishes to match your outdoor furniture. No compromising on aesthetics. Cons: no built-in table surface. No cover included. Propane is an ongoing per-use cost. Best for first-time buyers, backyard decks, hosts warming groups. Not for covered or propane-free patios. At $118.99, the Amazon Basics Tower delivers proven heat for any standard patio. Full coverage? This is it. At number 5, the East Oak 50,000 British Thermal Unit Round Table Tower, the best mid-range pick for stronger output and dual-purpose design. You gather around a standard tower heater, and there's nowhere to set a drink, no surface, no extra function. The East Oak changes that. First, 50,000 British Thermal Unit across a 20-foot range, stronger output, and wider coverage than most towers at this price. Next, a double-layer 304 stainless steel burner, lasts 30% longer than single-layer alternatives. Finally, an integrated round tabletop, a usable surface for drinks and remotes, built into the heater itself. Cons: all adjustments are manual, no remote. Bronze finish weathers without a cover, heavier than budget towers. Best for outdoor entertainers and serious value shoppers. Not for aesthetics first buyers. At $149.99, more British Thermal Unit, better durability, and a built-in table, all in one unit. Best value tower? This is it. At number 4, the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Heater, the best compact pick for balconies and tight outdoor spaces. You don't have space for a standing tower, and you shouldn't need one just to stay warm. The Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Heater fixes that. Set it on any surface, and it's running. First, 11,000 British Thermal Unit output with a round reflector plate. Even heat at table level, every seat covered. Next, an adjustable rotary heat dial, anywhere from low to high for exactly the warmth you want. Finally, a built-in anti-tilt shutoff and a burner screen guard, 2 safety layers built in. Cons: coverage tops at 30 square feet. The 1-pound tank runs short, not for large groups. Best for balcony users, small decks, camping trips. Not for heating more than one table. At $149.99, the Cuisinart portable tabletop heater is the cleanest tabletop heat solution for tight spaces. Small setup? This is it. At number 3, the AZ Patio Heater, the best mid-range tower for reliable output and a built-in table. Standard towers give you heat and nothing else. Nowhere to rest a drink, nowhere to set your phone. The AZ Patio Heater fixes that. First, 48,000 British thermal unit with a variable heat control knob. Dial from low to full output depending on the night. Next, a single pole build sturdier than 2-piece alternatives. Less wobble, more stability out of the box. Finally, an adjustable table on the pole. A 15.7-inch surface that moves to wherever you need it. Cons: the auto igniter can weaken over time. Keep a manual lighter as backup. No cover included. Best for backyard patios, hosts who want heat and a surface. Not for maximum British thermal unit buyers. At $169, the AZ Patio Heater gives you reliable heat and an adjustable built-in table. This is it. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. All product links are in the description. Now, let's get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Legacy Heating Pyramid Heater. The best pyramid pick for full-height fire and solid standing warmth. Standard standing heaters give you a dome and a flame you can't see. No visual, no atmosphere, just heat. The Legacy Heating Pyramid changes that entirely. First, a 1-piece quartz glass tube with a visible 40,000 British thermal unit flame running the full 89-inch height, visible from every seat. Next, a top reflector shield that spreads heat outward and downward. Warmth doesn't escape straight up from guests. Finally, Electrical Testing Laboratories listed construction with tip-over protection. Built to commercial standards, certified for home use. Cons: 40,000 British thermal units is lower than mushroom top towers. The honest trade-off for the visual column. Igniter can vary. Best for design-forward hosts who want a flame centerpiece. Not for buyers focused on maximum raw heat. At $249.99, the Legacy Heating Pyramid is the most commanding heater in this lineup. Want fire every night? This is it. Now the number 1 pick. This tower outperforms every other heater here in output, materials, and design. Here it is. The number 1 patio heater in 2026 is the Pamapic 50,000 British thermal unit round table heater, built for maximum heat and premium quality. You want the strongest tower that also works as patio furniture, not just an appliance you work around. The Pamapic delivers both. First, a 50,000 British thermal unit 304 stainless steel burner, premium grade, more heat resistant, and longer lasting than mesh designs. Next, an engineered aluminum top cap that directs heat downward, less wasted upward, more warmth reaching everyone around it. Finally, a cone-shaped base with a round tabletop and triple protection, tip-over, flame-out, and anti-tilt, plus wind stability. Cons: ships in 2 boxes that may arrive separately. Wait for both before assembling. No cover included. Best for serious hosts wanting the strongest output and a built-in table. Not for buyers needing an included cover. At $259.99, the Pamapic 50,000 British thermal unit is the most capable tower here. The best patio heater? This is it. And there you have it. the 7 best patio heaters for 2026. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going with: electric, tower, or the Pamapic. All links are in the description below. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.